my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hello guys, right, so I'm digging out the blue and green pigment stackers. So these have got 6 to start. They're really beautiful, got such a nice shimmer to them. I haven't got a clue which ones I'm going to use so far. We're just going to kind of wing it. So I've just attached the nail. So this is one of the express, where are they? The full cover tips, the ballerina longs. So I've just attached that with the titanium builder gel. If you don't know how to do that, check out any of my videos. Most videos that I do some kind of explanation, breakdown tutorial of how to prep the nail and adhere those into place. So now that we're attached, I can give this nail a good etch. Make sure there's no shiny bits left, especially in these tricky areas. If it's shiny, the gel polish will not stick. Okay, when you're happy with that, give it a good old dust. And I'm going for a nice white base. I'm kind of gutted I've left this video until last because we've now got the smallest nail to work on. But it should still work just fine. So I'm doing 2 coats of Dove. So this is the white from the Prophecy range, and it's such a good white. Such a good white. So pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. I do need my palette. Look, there's my palette, Sam.
Oh, your toaster.
It's, yeah. Granted, it could do with a bit of a clean. Thank you, Sam. I think I might need some acetone on it, actually. Oh, nearly got bleach on my new hoodie then. Yeah, I need acetone on that bad boy. It's all right. We've got a very small, clean corner over here. I'll get the bleach away from me. I shouldn't be trusted with bleach. Other chemicals? Yes. Bleach? No. I'll get some acetone on that later on.
That's not bleach. That's just flash.
I thought it was bleach.
No, it's got a degrease. It's flash cleaner.
Oh, don't knock yourself out then. I'll have a bath in it.
Other brands are available.
Oh dear. Right, 8 seconds left on that. Right, so we need an old makeup brush. Stole this off my daughter. That's why we have children. Took that this way, Sam. Right, so we need this. Have I done a second coat? I haven't, have I? Going to do a second coat now. Well, you need that sticky layer, so whatever you do, don't wipe it off. Don't top coat with an white top coat, because we need that sticky layer for the pigments to stick to. So, second layer. Don't get that in the lamp, please, Sam. Let's have a look at some of these colours. So we're going to cover the entire nail in pigment. So I'm going to literally flip through and use quite a few of them. So make sure you got some tissue to hand because you're going to want to rub off. There we go. Oh, God. Core muscles, engage them. Yeah, so you're going to want to clean your brush. Max, babe, wait. Max, stop. You need to be quiet. Mummy's filming. Don't huff at me. Mummy's filming. You know the rules. Yeah, I don't know which colours I'm going to. I like this one. We're just going to use loads. I'm going to go for it. I do want a nice bright green in there, so let's get that one out. No, that's the wrong one. What's with this? So make sure you don't touch anything. Once that nail's come out of the lamp. Make sure your client doesn't touch anything. Oh, look at that. That's very pretty. So let's have some of that. And then let's go for some of that bottom one as well. Oh, God, Lisa. Open pots, dangerous. So I might just go for the 4. So like a nice popping green and then something a little bit more gentle. I don't think I'm going to go for this top one. I think this top one's maybe a little bit too contrasty. So let's go for that one. And then I think I'll go for the bottom one again. Oh, this is lethal. Open pots, jeez.
Some hands all the way over here.
Max, baby, it's all right. Nobody's here. Oh. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't think I've used that one before. Oh my goodness, Sam, look at that.
That one and that one. Or that one and that green there.
Oh my God. Oh, Sam, why have I not used this one before?
I don't know.
Well, it's because it's not a popping blue, is it? It's not really my... Oh my God, right, give us that nail. Let's smash some of this on here. Right, I'm going to go in with the darker blue first. You only need a little bit. Let's see if I can actually get in shot. Let's go for a bit of green. Green there. A little bit more darker blue. Let's get some of this in up here. Oh, I love it. Samantha. Love it. I'm just kind of... Sam! You know better than that, Samantha.
I didn't realise it was going to start talking to me, sorry.
Right, so really press that into the nail. Oh my God, Sam, that blue is stunning. Press, 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 press. Yes, all the yes. Right, first things first, I'm going to put lids back on these. I want a full set of this one right here. But I'll do it and I'll hate it.
Pardon?
I'll do it and I'll hate it. If I have a full set of that, I'll hate it because it's too light. Even though I love it, it's too light. Sam, right, do you want to put your phone down? How about, let's just, yeah, let's, I'm going to confiscate your phone. We're going to be done.
I was reading
We're going to be done in that 5 minutes. Behave and appreciate the gorgeous shimmering
nice.
shimmeriness. Look, I mean, look at me, I'm Kate. That is so pretty. You're mad because I've confiscated your
I
phone.
was reading the news and pressed the wrong button. I didn't mean to.
Right, quickly onto my palette. I'm going to get a blob of Dove. Just like so. You're not going to need a lot of this. And then, you know what, the top coat. Lando, baby, stop. Listen to your mummy. Right, so good old blob of that. Getting low on top coat. I'll have to open the other bottle. I'll literally keep this going for about another month yet. I will get every single ounce of top coat out of there. Right, so I'm using my, when I find it, my 8mm, there it is, 8mm liner. It's my absolute trusty go-to brush. I pretty much use this for everything. I'm going to take a little bit of that white and start mixing it into the top coat. So we want a real nice milky white. Just test that. I think that's going to be spot on. Don't want any more white in there. Max, baby. Might actually need a little bit more top coat in there. Max, it's just another dog down the street. It's okay.
Oh, how dare they be on his street?
I know.
What's that you said about keeping that going for another month?
Well, maybe another day or so. We'll see. You'd be surprised though when you think it's empty. You'd be surprised what you can get out of it. Right, so I'm just going to dilute that down a little bit more. And then I can check that on the back of my nail again. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking for. Milky white. Okie dokes. Right, so let's start off with the inside of my rose. Just like a little croissant shape. Let's bring you over here. Shall we zoom in a bit so you can actually see what I'm doing? Now, if you need to, you can flash code. Just pop that in the lamp for a couple of seconds. Mush, mush. Come on, Mummy's filming. You know to be quiet. 5 minutes and we'll be done, okay? Promise. I do, I promise. Yeah. Oh, flash cure, wasn't it? Right. Flash cure between each bit. We're just going to build up our petals around this. Little bit at a time. Don't go too thick with the white. It's not needed. So each petal, make sure they don't. I keep over here. I keep going off screen. I'm sorry, guys. Obviously, I'm looking at the nail. Right, so I think that'll do for the rose. So just give that a quick flash cure for me, please. So I'm going to do another flower down at the bottom. We'll add some leaves, and then we let the magic happen. I've never done this in blue and green. I've done it in other colours. Never in blue or green. I don't know why. Okay, bang that out. So let's do same again down here. Kind of do like a yin yang sign with the croissant shapes. And then you just start wrapping around them with bigger croissants. Croissant. Just want food. Always want food. Right, so I'm not going to do this one as big as the other one, so I think that'll do for that. And then we're just going to, let's take this one out of here actually. Take a nice curvy petal. And do a couple of little dots if you want, whatever you want. Keep the design flowing. Let's bring one down here. Okay. When you're happy, bang them. Let's give that a full cure, full 30 seconds. And then we're going to scrub the whole nail. Where am I going?
I don't know, but don't close all them drawers with my phone in it.
Your phone's up there, isn't it? I'll put it there.
No, you put it in
Oh, it's there.
drawers.
So I'm still confiscating it. You can have it back in 2 minutes when I'm done. I did have some good, half-decent lint-free wipes, but apparently I don't have them anymore. So we're going to have to go for the not-so-lint-free wipes. Right, so your not-so-lint-free wipes. And, let's zoom out a little bit. Some of your Kiwi Nail Plate Cleanser. Absolutely love this stuff. Get that on there. And then we're going to give this nail a really good scrub. I've actually left this in for 60 seconds. It only needs 30 seconds. 5 seconds left on that. Okay, pop that out. Right, so give this a good clean, good scrub. So everything under the white polish will stay. Everything that's not been covered in white polish is going to come away. Pigments do get incredibly messy. But they are worth it. Look at that. I love that. I really love
I was wondering
that.
how that was going to work.
I really, really love that. Like I say, I've never done it in blue and green before. You get any pigment stuck in the cuticle, it will come out. Just, you know, reassure your client, it is going to come out. You're not stuck with permanently blue cuticles. And once that's dry, we're going to give that a full top coat. And that's done. If you didn't want to, if you wanted to keep the nail as it is with more of a raised design, what you could do, you'd need to top coat. I don't think you could actually, because you'd need to top coat after the white, but then you need the white for your sticky layer. You could top coat the white and then add a thin layer of base coat and use the sticky layer of your base coat, I guess. But that just seems like a lot of faffing around. Oh, I love that. That's so cute. Right, Sam. Bang that in the lamp. Oh, I really like that.
I need to eat.
Yeah, we're all done now. We're going to go and get some... Oh, I was going to say D-I-N-N-E-R. But if I say that, my dogs will go, what? Can I have some? I'm going to finish off with the banana elixir cuticle oil. This is my favourite. Yep, sun is shining. I'm going to go and have some lunch. And then take my boys out. Right, Sam, that's been 30 seconds. That can come out the lamp. Drop of this banana cuticle oil. Oh, I really like that. And that was nice and quick and simple and easy, wasn't it? You could easily do a full set of those. Fab. Thanks for watching.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.